Hey, what's up guys? So hope you understand the topic of this video today. So today I'm gonna tell you best institute for the learning of spoken English. Spoken English is basically based on speaking English, the ability to speak in English and everything. So guys, day by day our industry, our professions, our management are based on the spoken English basically. So we have to comply with these things, we have to improve ourselves to speak in English and also the ability to speak in English. So today I'm going to tell you the 6 best institute in Kolkata. They are delivering the best coaching in spoken English. So guys, based on the public review, based on the Google review, আমি কিন্তু চুজ করেছি এই 6টা ইনস্টিটিউট এবং এই স্পোকেন ইংলিশ বিষয়টা কিন্তু যে আমি ইংলিশে বলে দিলাম তাহলেই কিন্তু হয়ে যাবে সেটা কিন্তু না, কারণ অডিয়েন্সকে এমন কিছু ভাবে তোমাদের বডি ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ, তোমাদের গ্রুমিংটা এমন ভাবেই করবে তারা, যারা সেই ইনস্টিটিউটগুলো যারা আর কি বেসিক্যালি এই জিনিসগুলো অফার করছে, যে অডিয়েন্স কিন্তু তোমার যে কন্টেন্টটা তুমি যে ডেলিভার করছো সেটা কিন্তু অবশ্যই তারা মনোযোগ সহকারে শুনবে। কারণ তুমি বেসিক্যালি তুমি যে জিনিসটা বলছো, যে কন্টেন্টটা তুমি বলছো, যে বিষয় তুমি কিন্তু ডায়লগ দিচ্ছ, যদি কন্টেন্টটা পাবলিক না বুঝতে পারে তাহলে কিন্তু কোনো লাভ নেই। সেই জন্যই কিন্তু তোমার যে অ্যাবিলিটি, তোমার যে বডি ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ সেটা কিন্তু অবশ্যই গ্রুম করে দেবে এই ইনস্টিটিউটগুলো। সো গাইস, অবশ্যই তোমরা ভিডিওটি পুরোপুরি দেখতে থাকো। আমি টোটালি কিন্তু তোমাদেরকে ভিডিওতে বোঝাবো যে তারা কি কোর্স ডেলিভার করছে, কত টাকা ফিস নিচ্ছে, এভরিথিং। এবং অবশ্যই যে 6টা আমি ইনস্টিটিউট তোমাদেরকে দেখাবো তাদের প্রত্যেকের মধ্যে কিন্তু আমি দেখিয়ে দেবো যে তাদের প্রত্যেক ইনস্টিটিউটের মধ্যে কি কি ডিফারেন্স আছে, তারা কি কি জিনিস ডেলিভার করছে। এবং অবশ্যই তোমরা কিন্তু এই ভিডিওটা দেখলে তোমাদের অবশ্যই কিন্তু চুজ করতে সুবিধা হবে যে কোন ইনস্টিটিউটটা কিন্তু তোমাদের জন্য আইডিয়াল। সো গাইস, be in this video I am going to show you their website, their detailed contact number, their courses which they are offering and everything, the blog, the portfolios, everything, so you can choose the best institute for you. So guys, be with us. So guys, I have sorted these 6 institutes as per the public reviews and the Google reviews from the internet and the all sources collected from the internet. So guys, it may refer as per the different reviewer. So number 6 is Sujoti Language School. You can see their website. The about page is there. You can see the about page is there, about us. এবং অবশ্যই তোমরা এই about us পেজে ক্লিক করে কিন্তু তাদের ওয়েবসাইট সম্বন্ধে সবকিছু জানতে পারবে। এবং সমস্ত কিছু আমি ডিটেলে ভিডিওতে যদি দেখাতে যাই তাহলে ভিডিওটি অনেকটাই বড় হয়ে যাবে। তো অবশ্যই আমি মেন পয়েন্টগুলো তোমাদেরকে ছুঁয়ে যাচ্ছি যাতে তোমরা কিন্তু তোমাদের জন্য বেস্ট ইনস্টিটিউটটা চুজ করতে পারো। So online and offline spoken English courses are there, and click here for our virtual demo class. You can see over there demo class button is there. Students review you can see, which is very important, and at the top of the notch, home button, about us button, program button, photo gallery, contact us and virtual classroom. So nowadays online spoken English courses are very mandatory because of the impact of COVID-19. So people are basically searching for the online spoken English classes, and this is their photo gallery, so you can find easily their faculty, their classrooms and everything. So it is their virtual classroom button. Click here for our online classes. So if you click on this button, you can easily redirect their online classes, and here it is their contact us page. Visit our program, call us and contact us button is there, so you can easily contact them. So guys, move on to number 5. Here is the Vita Expert Spoken English. Also Vita is a very popular institute in Kolkata. I'm going to show you the courses like Vita Fluent English Level 1, Level 2, Spoken English Competency, Spoken English Proficiency, Vita Advanced, everything is there. Vita Job Skills, Vita Business Pro, everything is there. Obviously তোমাদের এই জিনিসগুলো কিন্তু ভালো মতো দেখে নিতে হবে। Franchising button is there, milestone is there, corporate training, careers and contact us. I am showing you contact us button, so you can easily interact with them. Email ID, call center number is there, and the address is also there. Their head office is in the Chennai. So guys, move on to the next number 4th is Ramakrishna Mission Swami Vivekananda Ancestral House and Cultural Center, and contact number and email ID is there, you can see. And at the top notch home button is there, the Holy Trinity is there, the institute is there, courses are there, activities, programs, notice, appeal, donation, gallery, contact us, everything is there. So I am showing you the courses, computer courses, language courses, value education class and other informations. And you can see the language courses details is there, School of Language Computer Education, the whole details is there. And guys, Ramakrishna Mission Institute is a very renowned institute, and course fees also is there. You can see the courses is there, classes durations, sessions, eligibility, requirement, documents, everything is there. And move on to point number 2, intermediate course is there, same thing is there, sessions, durations, classes, eligibility, courses, required documents, everything. And move on to the number 3, advanced course also is there, and everything is described clearly so people can understand easily. So guys, I hope you understand Swami Vivekananda details. And move on to the number 3rd, is the IG Spoken English. So guys, it is the only institute they are offering only online classes. It is a very important thing because they are only focused on the spoken English, the communicative English, spoken English courses is there, IELTS training online is there, TOEFL and Duolingo English training courses for students and adults, everything is there. You can see the students review also is there, which is very important things. And the most important thing, the best spoken English classes Kolkata, India online. That means they are only focusing on the online classes, not offline classes. So it is very important, it is very mandatory because the people's right now is searching for the online classes, and IG Spoken English delivering the same things. And you can see book your class today button, call us, the number is there, home button is there, about us button is there, courses are there, blogging, inquiry, drop us a line. So that means you have to give your name, email ID, contact number, subject, and some messages there you have to write over there, and then just submit. Call us button is there, you can see email ID is there, location is there. It is a very user friendly to understand people everything about their courses, about their faculty, about the whole things from their website. So guys, I hope you understand. And next move on to the number 2 is the xbridge.co.in. the official website is xbridge. Finest spoken English classes over there. Learn fluent smart English. Enrollment online and offline. Call us button is there, you can see the call us button is there, and home button is there, about us button is there, courses are there, testimonial, contact us, everything is there. So you can easily understand. And also the important thing is the WhatsApp button is there, so you can easily interact with them. About us, everything is, you can see about us, their portfolios over there. So guys, in the courses button, English and computer button is there, so I'm clicking on the English button, and you can see the spoken English details is there. Obviously you have to check it well. There are galleries, there are testimonial also there, and contact us button. Guys, in the contact us details, you can see contact details over there, and you have to fill this form, first name, last name, email ID, area of interest, phone number, your message, and just submit it. So guys, I hope you understand everything about the XBridge. And move on to the number 1 is the British Council India. British Council is the very popular spoken English coaching center in Kolkata. You can see learn English button is there, English courses for adults, English courses for kids and teens, English training for corporates, English training for educational institutions, learn English online, register for course, everything is there. Take an exam, study in the UK events, our work in India library. They are delivering all over the world. So it is very popular institute. And you can see the sign up for newsletter button is there, contact us button is there, and in the contact us button you can see live chat button also is there, and call us details is there also. You can easily call them and interact with them. Email ID is there, and also social media option is there. So guys, I hope you understand the whole things, and I hope you can easily find the best institute for you. That's for today. So guys, আজকে এতটুকুই। আমি আশা করছি যে ভিডিওটি তোমাদেরকে করে দেখালাম সেটা তোমাদের অবশ্যই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ কাজে লাগবে, এবং যদি তোমাদের ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকে অবশ্যই কিন্তু ভিডিওটি বন্ধুদের সাথে শেয়ার করতে ভুলো না। So guys, you can Google it or please check on the description box for all website links. Kindly share this video with your friends, and also subscribe our channel to get the latest video updates about the educations, about jobs and everything, and be with us.